In this video, you will learn how to manage user access for your courses in Appy Pie Course Builder. User access controls which groups of your app users can open a course. Let's set it up. On the Course Builder Manager, click the three-dot action menu next to a course. The menu shows Edit Course, Map Items, User Access, Deactivate, and Delete Course. Click User Access. A modal opens, listing every user group in your app with the number of users in each. Check the groups you want to give access to. But where do these groups come from? Head over to your Appy Pie dashboard. Open Users from the side in AV. Then click Groups. This is where every group in your app lives, name, user count, and the pages they can access. To add a new group, click Add Group. Give the group a name, here, Group 3. Then check the pages this group will be able to access. Click Save. Group 3 lands in your groups list, ready to use. Head back to Course Builder. Open the Action menu and click User Access again. Your new Group 3 is in the list along with the existing groups. Check the groups, then click Save Changes. Toast confirms, User Access updated. Stay tuned for more.